Alright, today is October 14th, 2022, and this is going to be the first startup of my Tempstar SP80 furnace for 2022 and 23 heating season. And the funny thing is, I'm pretty dang sure that October 14th, 2021 was the exact date that we turned on the furnace last year, too, for the first time. So the first startup of my furnace fell on October 14th, 2 heating seasons in a row. So I find that pretty cool. So, last year, you remember there was a fiasco with there being some major flame rollout shortly after I started it up. So basically we just never called anybody to come and look at it. It stopped doing it quite as bad, but it still wasn't burning as efficiently as it should have been. The flames still didn't look as healthy as they should have been, but the carbon monoxide alarms didn't go off, so yep. So this year we will see what happens. If I see flame roll out, I'll try not to freak out this time and go and shut it off. I'll just kind of wait and see if it trips the rollout switch or what, but I hope it doesn't do that again this year. But this thing is getting pretty old and I don't really trust it very much anymore, but it's 65 degrees in the house right now and it's going to get down to the 20s pretty soon. So we are about to leave on vacation, and we don't want the house getting so cold while we're gone, so we're just going to go ahead and turn it on now and then set the temperature so it'll hopefully work while we're gone, and hopefully it won't burn the house down or anything. So yep, I'm going to go ahead and get the camera on the tripod. Sorry about those dehumidifiers sitting there, but hopefully you'll still be able to see the thing. Alright, set up the camera, let me take the cover off. As always, I'll put the thermostat on the screen. Here. Okay, I think you'll be able to see that. Let me lower it a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now you'll be able to see the burners. Alright, so, no more talking. Let's just go and fire this thing up. There it goes. There it goes. It's alive. Let's hope nothing bad happens. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in here. When the blower comes on, I'm going to watch these flames. There it goes. Okay. The flames did not seem to change much when the blower came on, so that is a good sign. But I am going to watch this for a while. I'm going to leave this camera set up here in case it starts going crazy. But the heat's on. Oh, I can smell it already. Famous heater smell when it hasn't been on in a long time. I'll be right back. I have to stop the video to zoom out because my camera's broken. Okay. Draft inducer fan. Burners. Feels heat. Flames look good so far. Don't know what the heck happened last year. putting out some warm and stinky air. And I guess I'll go and start the humidifier since I always do that. I don't feel like bringing the tripod over here, so I'll just set the camera up there. Turn it around so the microphone is facing it. Alright, I'll go and start the humidifier. Alright, here's the April air humidifier. Here's the logo there. You can see it's draining water. Ooh, it's doing something. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those flames. It's like a flashing orange. Look at that. Wonder if it has something to do with the humidifier. Because remember last year it started doing that after the humidifier too. But look at all those orange bursts. It's not picking it up as well on camera as my eyes can see it. Heat's on. I think heating season is pretty much here. There's some 70s coming up in the forecast, but I don't know if we're gonna have to run the air conditioner again or not. Probably not, because the lows are pretty cold now. Yeah, I don't like that, but I'm not gonna freak out and shut it off this time. I'm gonna leave it and see what it does. Honeywell gas valve. It's not really rolling out. It's just really orange inside of the burner. See if I can zoom in on this one. There's a lot of orange flashes in there. And it started out perfectly blue. But I'm just gonna leave it. It'll probably fix itself as it runs. Yep, the heat is on. Maybe now you can see the orange flashes. Alright, I'm gonna put this cover back on. Alright. Heat is on. I'll go and show some vents upstairs and then I'll probably be it. I got some nice warm air. Still a little bit stinky, but not as bad anymore. Alright, that was the first startup of my Tempstar furnace for 2022 heating season. Out.